I'm a real ass, trill ass bitch from the west. I throw that ass back to see if he gon' catch.
I look a mess. I always look a mess. But anyway, I'm doing my own. I'm throwing myself a party. Ooh, we child. I'm over here packing everything up. Look, I made that, y'all. But I'm over here packing everything up. I'm gonna put it in my car. And it's a dinner party / launch party, like, you know, for my brand that I'm coming out with. So I'm gonna put everything in my car, and the location is gonna be at the community room in my apartment facility, whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive my car. It's on the corner, but just so it's easier to, you know, move all this stuff. So I'm gonna pack everything in my car, drive my car over there, and I look so crusty. I just did my wig. It actually looks good, but I like half curled it just to see if it was gonna give me the look I want to get, and it is. But yeah, it's the day before my birthday, August 8th. It's gonna be a movie because it's always a movie with me, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna pack my car, head over to the spot, and show you guys this space. Okay. Dirty, but look at all this stuff. Literally everything is for the party, like all this, and there's stuff in my trunk too. Oh my God. In the community room, it is a nice area. We're gonna cover all these windows with drapes I bought. They honestly have some nice furniture already in here, so I'm gonna leave some of this furniture here. They have all these tables we're gonna set up to make our long dinner table. And yeah, we're gonna take all this stuff off the walls and redo this whole thing. I'm gonna just towel mop these floors, I guess. There's no mop or nothing in here. Maybe I'll look in the cupboard, see if they have one. But yeah, we're just gonna wipe everything down, wash everything down, because yeah, we don't know these people like that. But that's what we're gonna do right now. Damn, this motherfucker don't work. Trying to get some footage from my YouTube. That's footage, alright. Molded, and it's all on my foot now. Kaya's setting the table for me. We got some of the drapes up, but we still need to cover this side. But I need to get more of the little adhesive thing. But yeah, it's 11 o'clock. 1 hour until my birthday, and this is what we're doing. 10 minutes until midnight, my birthday. We're fucking pooped, but let me show you what we got done. How long were we out here? Like 2 hours maybe? So this is gonna be the dessert table, whatever. This over here is gonna be the drinks table. As you can see, I have some cocktails. I'm gonna fix the fucking drapes. They're all wrinkled up. This is the dinner table. Looks so fucking good. There's a little picture of me back there. And then we have my little two-tone grass wall. And then yeah, the neon sign lights up and everything. But there's still more to do. Like I have to get another tablecloth. Oh, these are my little party favors over here. I just have coffee cups, reusable coffee cups with my logo on it. Those are my party favors. And yeah, so, and then tomorrow I'm getting the chairs delivered. I'm gonna have a throne chair. It's gonna be very cute, and we're gonna put up some more LED lights on the ceiling, so it's gonna be very cute. It's been a long day, but we finally got it together. I need to find the remote control so I can turn the TV on. Okay, I don't be doing nothing. Okay, this is YouTube worthy. So yeah, look at the completed. Oh, look at my little outfit. You feel me? Very cute. Fast. But yeah, let's get into it. Got my little setup here. Got strawberry margarita, rum punch over here. Kelly's helping me get the appetizers together. Some chips and dip. For real, she's back. And some little potato thingies. I don't know. Yeah, the caterer is supposed to be here soon, so I don't know. No. See, that's 3 parks just opened up right here because the staff left. But yeah, the party was supposed to start 30 minutes ago, but nobody's here. Okay, so I didn't get much footage, but here are some pictures, me in front of my setup. Here is a close-up of my little dinner table setup. It's me in my throne chair, okay? Trying to get my outfit for y'all to see. Got a pic in front of my grass wall. I was already hella drunk by this point. Here is my cake. Very cute, red velvet with cream cheese frosting, alcohol, and my picture on top. Here is my menu card. I actually didn't get any pictures of my food. But yeah, here's my shirt from my brand. Stay tuned, certified lover girl. That's me. And this is just a little boomerang of me. Okay, you see it. And this is where, you know, we got out of control. The shots kept coming. That's my best friend, Misha Poo. It's my friends. And yeah. Yeah, I was just twerking it away. Just twerking it up.
Can you make a clap yet for a second?
Okay, oh my God. I said a little speech and I cried. Because, yeah, it really means a lot to me. You know, when people show up for you, they don't have to. Oh, and here is, oh my God. I did the little videos that they be having on TikTok. It was so cute. But it was kind of blurry. We didn't get that many views or likes, but it was still fun to do. Look, some random bought me a 1942, bottle. I'm like, damn, I don't even know you, son, but thank you. Because I live in the ghetto, so people was just like walking up, you know, just trying to see what's going on, just peeking inside. And he bought me a 1942 bottle from the corner store too, so it was expensive. All in all, it was so fun. I'm trying to fit everything in here. So it was a all pink party. Everybody had to wear pink. It was beautiful fun. I got so drunk. I freaking passed out of my house. Thank God it was at the community room by my house, so I could just go straight home and pass out. But yeah, I did everything myself, every single thing. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And thank you guys for watching, as always.